It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Using up what I've got in. Pulled out some bacon the other day to defrost to go with the meal, and I forgot to use it up. I pulled out some chicken, only about ½ pound of diced chicken out of the freezer. So I'm going to do a bacon and chicken, bacon, chicken, tomato, hot pot thing. So I've got in here 4 rashers of bacon, sliced up and cooked, and I'll show you each thing as it goes in the pan. To the bacon I have added half a large onion, finely chopped, and half a yellow bell pepper, finely chopped. I've got the rest chopped here. They will actually do a meal tomorrow. I've browned off the chicken. Oops. That one's all the fat that comes with it. There's the chicken now. These are my tomatoes because they're coming in from the garden thick and fast, but I could store them whole in the freezer and then can them, but I aren't going to have them many jars. So every time the oven's on, I've got a load of tomatoes. I do this and slow roast them with garlic and herbs and a few onions, and that is to go in that meal, and the rest I can actually freeze up. So I'll get that out now. So that's some for the freezer and in the slow cooker meal. Now, pretty sure I didn't put salt on, so salt. I don't use much salt at all. There's loads of herbs on it, so I don't need any herbs. I might add a bit of curry paste, but I think that needs a little bit more liquid in it. So I'll put a dash of water in, just so I've got some liquid in there, and I can always thicken it up later if I want it thickened. Yeah, about half a cup of water, I suppose, and leave that to go for about 6 to 8 hours. 8 hours if it's on low, 5 or 6 hours if it's on high. And it's as simple as that with the slow cooker meals. Throw in what you've got. This is that chicken and bacon and tomatoes. I've thickened it up with a little bit of cornstarch, and because Lurch doesn't like curries, the spices in them, this is what we are having instead of the curry. So we'll make a nice, fairly plain, but my rice is cooked now. Bacon, chicken and tomatoes over rice. Lovely. And there's enough left for a portion for me in the freezer when Lurch is on late. And I've cooked more rice than necessary because we'll have egg fried rice tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect